What's up, guys? This here is a follow-up to my longer Osight XR overview that I did. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link to that in the description, as well as put a card up. This was sent over to me by Osight to check out and test out, so it's now sitting on this Glock 20 Gen 5. Weapon is clear, no mags in, all that good jazz, right? So this installed up on this MOS plate, no problems whatsoever. There aren't any screw guides in the Osight manual, but basically you need the short 6 to 32 screws to go into that MOS adapter plate, torque them down to 17 inch-pounds, and it's ready to go. So the other thing is, I said in my original overview that I may be able to use my standard height sights with the pop-up rear sights here, and you cannot. You still do need the suppressor height sight for those rear pop-up sights. So that's a piece of information I wanted to clear up from my longer overview that again, in my original overview, I said that I wasn't sure about that. Now that it's installed, I can guarantee it's not gonna work with the standard height sight. You will need the suppressor sight, right? So anyway, guys, I just got this thing all mounted up. As you can see, I got my zeroing card here that is included in the box. Gonna get this thing taken out to the range and see if I can get this thing on target. Thanks for watching.